Hello everyone, welcome to PyDiscussions. Today we will be discussing whether Python have a ternary operator or not. The short answer is yes, Python do have a ternary operator which is called conditional expression. However, it was introduced from Python 2.5 version. The syntax seems little bit different compared to most popular programming languages like C, C++, JavaScript. You can check out the callout for other programming language syntax. The syntax in Python looks like true evolution, if condition, else false evolution. You can check out the callout if you have any confusion regarding the syntax. We will see a couple of examples where exactly we can use this conditional expression. The first example is switch between values. Imagine we have a variable called message where we want to store some value into it based on condition. In this case, if the user is an admin, I have a welcome message, hello admin. If the user is not an admin, I have a welcome message called hello username. Okay, I'm just calling this welcome message with two different options. First one is like he's not an admin. In the second one, he's an admin. Let's run this function. You can see actually in the first case actually hello hack with Arsha, in the second case hello admin. How we can simplify this function using conditional expression. Okay, we can write it in single line. Let's comment out these lines and what the true evolution. If he is an admin, actually what I want a hello admin if he is an admin, else I want hello username. Sorry, there it's typo. That's it. Let's run this one. You will get the same output here. Okay, let's take second example. In this case, we are checking for none condition. Imagine we are using some third-party job service in our application which will take job ID as path parameter and send us job status as response. However, they don't have status for pending. Instead, they send status as none for pending jobs, which is not human readable. What I have done here is I'm checking if the job status is none or not. If it is none, I'm sending status as pending, otherwise whatever that service provides to me. I'm calling this function as two different arguments. The first one is 122 as a job ID and the second one is 123 as a job ID. Let's see what it will give us response. You can see the first 122 job ID will send job status as none, which is a pending, and the second one job ID 123 which will send status as failed. How we can simplify it? We can simplify it using conditional expression. Let's comment these lines. Pending if status is none, else whatever the service provides to me, which will work the same like earlier only. Okay, you can see it is the same response. However, we can simplify it even more, which is not a ternary operator, but it is called short circuit evolution. How it works? Let's check an example. Let's comment this line. Let's add a return statement and check whether there is a job status is available or not. If it is available, it will take it, or it will take pending. How exactly it will work actually? Just like an OR condition. Okay, if the job status is available, it will return job status. If it is not available, if it is none, it will take pending. Okay, which will work great in this use case, but there are some disadvantages to this one which we'll check in next example. Let's take third example, which is point to remember about short circuit. In this case, I have a calculate discount function which will take amount and discount percentage as arguments. By default, discount percentage has a none as a value. Okay, here I am calling calculate discount function 3 times. The first time I haven't provided any discount percentage. The second one I am providing 20% as a discount percentage. The third one I am providing 0 as a discount percentage. You can see the output on the right side. The first one, when the user hasn't provided any discount percentage, I am giving them 10% as discount. In the second one, when user has provided discount percentage 20, I'm giving them 200. The third one, when the user has provided 0, but I'm giving them 100, which is a 10%, which is wrong. This is not what I have expected. This is because of short circuit evolution, because 0 is a false value in Python like most other programming languages. Okay, if the discount percentage is falsy, and it will by default take 0.1, which is a 10%. So This is not what we expected. We expected to consider 0 as a discount percentage. Okay, so the short circuit evaluation will not work here. What you can do is you can just use conditional expression or ternary operator here. 0.1 if discount percentage is none, else discount percentage. See, in this case you are getting 100, the first one where the user hasn't provided any discount percentage, I'm giving them 10% discount percentage. In the second example they have given 20%, I'm giving them 200 as discount. In the third example they have provided 0, I'm giving them 0 discount. Okay, thank you very much.